The section view. In this lesson, we will examine the section view command. Click on the section view tool here. The section view command allows us to look inside a model by cutting a part of it. Here we can select a front plane, the top plane, or a right plane. We can also select faces as well. By dragging this handle, we can position a cut and specify a location. Or you can enter a value in this text field. We change the plane angle in this drop-down menu, and we can have a section view from more than one point. Let's activate this. Click on this face. Click OK, and we have our section view. This is only a visual representation. The actual cut, of course, didn't really happen. To bring the model back to its original view, simply click the Section View button, which happens to be a toggle. If you want to return back, you click it again. You can reposition it if you like, get another view, and click OK.